Let me see your hands. Watch the dog. Watch the dog. Is the pack good?
Yes. I'm trying, buddy. I'm trying.
Is it blown out?
Yes. No, it doesn't look like it. It's okay, Huck. It's okay, buddy. Come on.
Jacksonville, Florida, July 2022. Officers were sent to reports of gunfire. Officers spotted a car matching the description of a possible suspect vehicle, and, while trying to approach its occupants, gunfire was exchanged on. The suspect vehicle fled, prompting a pursuit that ended in a crash. A decision was made to deploy a K-9 named Huck into the vehicle. Welcome to Incident on Record. Let's get into it.
Move it up, move it up. Here. Hey, you're moving it right there. Let me see your hands. Watch the dog, watch the dog. I got a med kit. Get my med kit. Med kit, get a med kit. Right here! My med kit! Get mine! No, not a tourniquet. No, it's the greenback kit. I'm gonna keep him from biting you.
Okay, tell us what you need.
I need whatever to stop this bleeding.
Push.
We got bandages. I got a turret right here. Hey, I got some bandages. I'll be right back. You need a tourniquet?
I need gauze.
Right here. Call back gauze. Coming out. Coming out. There. Gauze. Pack it.
Yeah. Come on, buddy. Come on.
Chad,
I'll
jump in your car. I'll drive. You hold it. We'll do a load and go.
Okay, hold on.
We gotta get that. Pack the wound and we'll go.
It's gonna be okay.
Pack it as tight as you can.
Get out of here.
We're gone. We gotta stop the bleeding.
Get out of here now.
Grab him, Jason.
Are you gonna get a tourniquet on him? Here, let's go. Help me. Help me.
Back it up.
What car are we going?
Where's your car at?
The truck, the silver truck. Bring gauze. Back here.
I need more gauze.
We need more gauze.
Hop in, Jason.
Come on.
Come here, bud.
That hole is deep.
Right here, put it on.
It's deep. That hole's deep.
That hole's real deep.
Pack it. It's gonna be packed.
Here. I got more gauze. Stop. Don't move. We're packing.
Here, go.
Let me get in there. Come on. Go ahead. Go.
Easy.
I'm going. Look around. Okay, buddy.
Looks like we're getting a signature just moving outside of the car.
Is the pack good?
Yes. I'm trying, buddy. I'm trying.
Is it blown out?
Yes.
Is it blown out this side?
I can't tell you.
Belly side?
No, it doesn't look like it. It's okay, Huck. It's okay, buddy. Come on. Come on.
Good boy.
Good boy, buddy. It's okay, Huck. It's okay. Good boy.
I got you.
Good boy, buddy. Come on. It's okay,
I got you,
buddy.
buddy.
It's
I got
okay.
you. I got you.
It's okay.
I got you.
It's okay, Huck. It's okay. We're almost there. We going Ocean Way?
What?
They're right down here?
I don't know where they're going.
Okay. I got it. I'm pushing it, but I'm pushing as hard as I can. I promise you.
I got you, buddy. I got you.
It's okay, Huck. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. It's okay.
I got you.
okay, buddy.
I got you, buddy. I got you.
We're almost there, buddy. We're almost there.
Good boy. Good boy.
You're doing good, buddy.
Good boy. Good boy. How's it look? Is this kind of slowed down?
It's fucking, yeah, slow down. It's slowing down. See if you can slow down.
Okay, good.
It's deep, buddy. It's fucking deep, brother.
Yeah.
Yeah. Fucking motherfuckers. Brentwood. Take your foot, I'm sorry. Don't pull. Get as close to the door.
Hold on, right here, back door.
Okay. Look, it's gonna be okay.
Hold on. Keep pressure, keep pressure, keep pressure.
I got it. It's okay, buddy.
I need help.
We need help. Come on. Come on.
Hold on, let's wait for a stretcher. Keep pressure. Can you?
I got it, buddy. I got it. It's okay, Huggy. It's okay.
Good boy.
It's okay, buddy.
Good boy.
You're doing good, Huggy. You're doing good, Huggy.
Good boy.
Come on, buddy. Come on, Huggy.
Hold his head, Terry. Hold his head. I got it. Or hold his collar.
I got it.
I got the pressure. You got it, big guy? Come on, buddy.
You're okay, buddy.
Keep pressure, buddy.
I got it. I promise.
Go.
Hey, sir, that's my taser. It fell out.
LT.
Yeah, LT drop.
Will you find out what, or can someone stay here and find out what they gave him? Or just tell them to notify that vet what they did here?
So there's a shock. She said, there's a medicine for shock. Okay, who's right?
Just throw it in my car. No, I gotta take it.
Can I do anything else?
Go slow, dude. I'm on the
Pick up the
tailgate.
kids. Okay.
Fuck, man. This is fucked up.
How the fuck is this bad? It's loaded, man. It's fucking bullshit.
Ow! God damn, my fucking hand is in your collar, bud. Ow! Easy, Chris.
the air unit.
Both are coming.
Okay, let's take the air unit because we gotta go all the way to Jack's Beach.
I shot to get Huck out of there if they need to know who all shot.
I shot too. I'm gonna go with him up.
Yeah, that's fine. We need to reach out to I'll reach out to Jack's Beach, figure out a landing spot cleared.
Okay.
But what's the name of the place we're going to?
So listen.
Fuck, he's got a round in his neck, dude. It stopped right here.
Oh, shit.
We got more gauze to wrap this right here.
Right here.
Area's 2 minutes out. Right here. Damn, Huck, he got fucked up. He's got a shot in his chest.
He got shot multiple times.
Can you come up here and put the controller?
Let me pack this in there first.
Go ahead.
So we're going. Do you want me to go with you guys or no?
No, I got it.
100%, because they said Hartley Road.
Dude, can you do me a favor?
Yeah, of course.
My wife is right here.
Yeah.
Can you drive her car to the barn so she can drive my car home?
Yeah, yes.
Hey,
Easy.
he's gonna drive.
It's okay, buddy.
Easy, Huck. Easy, Huck.
Moving for me.
He's gonna drive your car to the barn and just drive mine home. Okay. And then I'll drive
Put him
yours.
back on the stretcher.
Okay.
Ready, Huck?
I don't know, dude. I'm just...
This will pop out real easily, Terrence, if you don't hold that.
Well, just hold it till we get to.
Of course, you know, I will absolutely hold it.
Hey, I got it. You just hold this.
I just need to my
Grab those towels.
My
Just
car's
to...
on.
That's fine. We'll figure all that later on. Here, I got it.
Let's go, buddy.
You lay that towel down just to help sop up the blood. Just lay it down on here.
You're going.
They got one. We already got it.
I think it was
Lay down, bud.
Buddy.
Stand I'm gonna give you the exact number of where we're gonna be landing.
God dang it, son of a motherfucking bitch.
This is the address that I was given.
You got the address, sir? Give me just a sec, I'll get you the numerical.
That was the address I was given when we were at the vet. 301 Jacksonville Drive.
301 Jacksonville Drive in Jacksonville Beach. And there should be some Zone 2 units setting up that right there for you. Out there.
Are they landing behind it?
Jacksonville Drive.
In a few minutes, we are going to do a qualified. It's going to sound like.
Just going through again.
Here.
God dang it, Huck.
For multiple loud.
I think that was through and through his ham into his wrist, and then he's got one in his neck.
Hey, Chief. Oh, hey, we got to drop back there. Huh? Are they landing back there?
We're going to be landing
What the fuck? Where is this place?
It's easier.
Easy, Chris. You were landing out front, but we're around behind you right now. Behind someone.
About to deploy to distraction advisory.
Barry.
I'll take this.
Hey,
Easy.
just Mulhern's gonna drive my car home or to the barn. Mulhern, he's in the truck. Come on. Yeah, it's open.
Except for that motherfucker was reaching that car.
Yeah, that's the other one.
That again was just a police multi-bang. There was no shots fired. 200, 892, just for 94, where y'all are at, it backed up right to the zoo to a fence line. So they removed all that, but we have the zoo left. 200, good copy.
So you got shot in the neck as well?
Yep, the back hip that went to the arm, the front arm, and then we just saw the neck. So I shot, and then
I can't move right now. I can't. I'm gonna fall.
oh fuck! Oh, all the way around.
Stupid motherfucker. Are we ready to move?
Yeah, let's do the whole thing.
Was he getting ready to fly away?
Huh?
He's getting ready to fly away?
Other side, other side, other side. He's keep wanting to get up. Hold on.
You good?
No.
Shit.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, Jack B. They're supposed to be finding you a landing zone out there.
Yep. Was fucking reaching, they shot. I couldn't tell what was going on. And I heard him yelping, so I tried pulling him to me, and when I pulled him to me, the dude started reaching down again, and that's whenever I shot. That was definitely a police rifle round that hit him.
Huck was flown by helicopter to First Coast Veterinary Specialists and Emergency Clinic in South Jacksonville Beach for proper treatment. A great deal happened out of public view as efforts were made over several months to help our hero, Huck, recover after the shooting. He underwent 5 major surgeries and more than 50 procedures, along with hyperbaric oxygen therapy, physical rehabilitation, and additional treatments, all aimed at restoring his health. However, because of the severity of his injuries, it became clear that more drastic measures were needed for a full recovery. After much prayer and consideration, the decision was made to amputate his front leg. On Thursday, the 30th of March 2023, K9 Huck was put on a premature retirement after years of loyal services with the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office. Authorities later identified the armed man as the driver, 28-year-old Deshaun Antonio Lockett, who was found dead, with his hand still on the trigger of a rifle-style firearm recovered from the vehicle, according to the Sheriff's Office. An 18-year-old backseat passenger, Tijarius K. Holton, was also pronounced dead at the scene. Another passenger, 32-year-old Robert Louis Motley, surrendered to authorities and was arrested on a charge of controlled substance possession. He has since been released on bail. Officers also recovered a handgun at the site of the initial shootout on West 45th Street, the Sheriff's Office reported. Lockett had prior convictions for grand theft, as well as possession of a firearm, cannabis, and cocaine. Court records, however, do not indicate any local criminal history for Motley or Holton. Motley's arrest report lists an address on West 45th Street, near where the initial gunfire occurred. According to Duval County court records, Lockett's most recent address was in Union City, Georgia, though he has also lived in Jacksonville. Holton is a Jacksonville resident. Incident on Record documents real-world police encounters using publicly released records. To see more documented cases and help uncover public records, visit Incident on Record weekly.